What is up, guys? It's Mike here, and today we have an exclusive Monster Jam Superstore review for you guys. It's none other than the truck to celebrate the event that never happened, the World Finals 21 Monster Jam Superstore exclusive diecast truck. Alright guys, so the day of filming today is Friday, May 23rd, and I just want to say thank you to Field, thank you to the Monster Jam Superstore, because I ended up getting these trucks very quick. I ordered these on Monday, and they actually came here Friday, and I actually had a pretty decent size order. I had 4 World Final 21 trucks coming, and I also had one of the Fire and Ice team captain, Max D, and El Toro Loco. So as you guys know, if you did watch that video, I got 4 of these things, and I always open one, I always get 2, and I'm going to open this one because if you see the card, this for me is the worst card I got. All the other ones are pretty much in mint condition, and that is very huge. Like I said in that video, a lot of people who ordered these in large quantities, and you know, they basically had them all dumped into like a bin in their box, and they got totally destroyed in shipping. And I'm very fortunate because I really like this, because not only that, but I didn't order that many, but it just shows that Field, they listened to us last time when a lot of people ordered the stunt truck, and a lot of people ordered the, I think it was the Pirate's Curse Halloween truck. A lot of those cards and everything just got totally bent, and it was just horrible for a lot of hardcore collectors that like to, you know, like what I do, open the truck and then save the truck in the package. So special thanks to Field, Monster Jam Superstore, all you guys, or if it came straight from Spin Master, whatever the case may be. Awesome, good job on the packaging. I give you guys an A+ for that. But moving on to the truck, as you guys still see, I do have it in the plastic bubble, so we're gonna take care of that right now. Alright, with the plastic on, you can really see the detailing on this card and case and everything. This thing looks 1,000 times awesome in real life. But yeah, I just want to say that, yeah, this is pretty cool. I can't believe this truck came this fast. I think my World Finals 20 truck took a little longer to get here. So I'd like to see that Spin Master, or whoever did it, Field, Superstore, Monster Jam, whatever the case may be, they really bunkered down on this and made these trucks come pretty quick, because I got standard shipping as well. But yeah, here it is with the package. As you can tell, it is definitely Orlando, Florida, with the palm trees, and basically another palm tree here. And one cool thing I like, they did add the 1 up to 5,000 produced on the side, so that's pretty cool. They did do that last year with the World Finals truck, so that's pretty cool. And you got the authentic sticker right here. This is just a really cool piece. It's really cool. I like the way Spin Master does this, because not only does it show that like they're having these special trucks and it could just be a special case, or you know, thrown into a regular mix or card or whatever. I like these. I like the detailing that goes into them. I like how they had the stadium back here. I think Camping World Stadium maybe. Not too sure, not too familiar with Florida, or yeah. But yeah, not too familiar with all that, but I do like the detailing that goes into these packages. Every Monster Jam Superstore exclusive truck, it's a must-have. Honestly, it really is. For any collection, any collector, I just having the package right here, and just like the special edition detailing and everything that goes into it, it's amazing. It really is. So as you can tell, also on the package, it has the Monster Jam World Finals to World Finals 21, which sadly, it's never going to happen. The event did get canceled, and I was kind of hoping when it did get canceled that maybe it would be, you know, rescheduled to like October or something like that, but it doesn't seem like that's going to be the case. But yeah, that kind of hurts. But this packaging is very cool. And then of course right here you got a little paragraph about the whole Monster Jam World Finals in Florida, and how the event was going to be one of the best ones yet. But obviously these were made before the event got canceled, and before the whole threat of, you know, COVID-19 and everything, which you know, it sucks. It really sucks, but everyone's health is way more important. Hopefully you guys are staying healthy and doing the right thing and everything. One weird thing is I don't see anywhere on here where it says like Monster Jam Superstore, up to 1,000 produced, limited edition, and you can tell the crease is all right here and everything. But yeah, very cool detailing on this, very awesome. I cannot wait to open this thing, to see this truck actually out of the package. It just looks amazing. And yeah, so let's open this thing up here. I'm just looking at this package. I just want to see how this thing actually really looks now that it's out of the plastic. But yeah, very cool artwork on this, very awesome. You guys knocked it out of the park once again. But yeah, let's open this thing up. Yeah, I definitely took a little while to open that because I really did not want to destroy the packaging. The card art on this is really cool, and one thing I really like what they did about this was they actually put the whole city of Orlando behind the truck, which is pretty cool because they obviously could have just left all where the buildings are and everything white or yellow in this case and just hid it behind the truck or whatever. But the fact that they put extra work into the card art on every single one of these trucks is pretty cool. So MonsterJamOCD pointed this out in his video. On the back here, this is the stadium. I can't remember the name of it. Maybe it was the camping world. I can't really remember. But yeah, the stadium right here, the city right here, amazing card art. Definitely one of my favorites so far this year. Well, of course it's gotta be, it's an exclusive truck. So then you get this little ramp thing like you do in every single, and this does not come with anything. It's just kind of like a decoration piece, which is nice. It's a matted black color, which is pretty cool. And you get the Spin Master support and help and customer support all down here. Really nothing much more to it. As you do see on it, it does say Orlando 2020 and basically just the warning sign to the left. But that's really it for this. And just like every other exclusive truck, that's really all that comes with. So now let's look at the main piece itself. Alright, so here it is, the main exclusive truck itself. As you can tell, it's got those awesome looking tires. It's got a nice orange bead lock on the rim. The rims are a nice gold color. It's got a chrome chassis, a nice black roll cage, and a lot of details on the truck itself. One detail missing, however, which I'm kind of curious about, and I don't know why they didn't do this, but there's no headlights on the truck. So kind of very interesting there. And I think that's kind of funny because, like, I don't know. I mean, every other truck does have headlights, and then you get an exclusive truck and it has no headlights. So in a way, it's kind of funny, but in a way, it's kind of unique too. Because I don't know if there's any other truck that doesn't have somewhat of a headlight printing. I could be wrong, and I'm not going to count Spin Master's first year because they were just kind of getting their feet planted. But I don't think any other truck in 2020 has no headlights. And then you got the palm trees coming down the front. You got the 3D printing. And actually, my truck looks like it has a little bit of chips in it in the grill, which that's okay. You know, I'm not going to argue about that. As I'm trying to zoom in, yeah, a little bit of a chip here and here, but that's fine. And then on this side of the truck, you got the stadium right here, which is pretty cool. You got the awesome new upgraded graphics that, I don't know how Spin Master's putting on their stickers and everything, but they're doing an amazing job. And on the back, okay, I was right. Camping World Stadium. I had a feeling it was, but I totally forgot. So Camping World Stadium, obviously that was going to be the stadium that World Finals 21 was going to be in, or, you know, whatever. MonsterJam.com on the back, which is weird because it does not say the MonsterJamSuperStore. And then on the other side of the truck, you got basically some buildings that are in Orlando. I personally never been to Orlando, so yeah, the only time I was in Florida was in 2014, and I was in Bradenton, so that was it, like 45 minutes away from Tampa. And then of course you got the Monster Jam World Finals logo, and then you have the XX1, which is basically the Roman numerals for 21, and Orlando 2020. And then moving on to the hood, you got the official Monster Jam World Finals logo with the XX1. And then you got the XX1 up here, and you got 2020, which looks really, really cool. I like how they made it outline in red over here, and then on the 0 itself, they actually made it red going to that color here to make it blend that yellow. So that's pretty cool. And then the 20 right there also is outlined in yellow. So very cool done truck, very awesome, definitely unique. I had a feeling they were gonna make a diecast for the World Finals because it's kind of like a tradition now, and knowing that it's Spin Master's second year, it's cool knowing that any World Finals there's gonna be a truck. Also, it's cool knowing if something ever did happen again to where, you know, the event got canceled or anything like that, they are still gonna make a diecast. So that's pretty cool knowing that. I mean, this truck is really cool. However, I don't know in my personal ranking if it's better than World Finals 20. I think that one, just because that was the first truck that Spin Master did as like an exclusive, that might be a little higher up. But this truck does look really cool, and the thing that makes it is definitely the rims and definitely the tires. These definitely pop. The black roll cage is okay. One thing I wish they kind of did was make the roll cage maybe gold to match the gold chrome rims. Or not the roll cage, I'm sorry, the chassis. That would have been kind of cool. But yeah, let's take a nice hard look at these rims here, because these actually look, the tire makes this truck. So we basically got, like, these tires actually kind of remind me of the tires off the Zombie ride truck. So yeah, you got basically the blood kind of BKT on it, which kind of matches the bead lock, which is pretty cool. Then you also have a tread pattern on here, which is darker than the entire tire, which is very nice. I like that. I like how that looks. Definitely the part I like the most about this truck is definitely the tires and the rims. I think they did an amazing job on that color scheme. Also, I do like how they made the truck dark red over here, and they made it basically bleed into the white. How they went from like a red to a yellow to like a light yellow to like white. I think that's a pretty cool added touch. I also like how they took the palm trees on the grill and they made them actually go down the truck as well, down the grill, which is pretty cool. I mean, all said and done, this is a very nice looking truck, very nice looking piece. The only thing I wish I can change about it is maybe making the roll cage or the chassis gold. I think if the chassis was gold, that would look very well put together. But it's alright, they didn't do it. I don't know if they had like a short like notice with this truck, but you know what, nonetheless, it is very cool that we were able to get this truck regardless of everything that's happening in the world, because there was a time where, okay, if this event got canceled, no one really knew if this truck was going to be released or even made. But the fact that it got made, very awesome. And the fact that, you know, the event didn't happen and there's a diecast for it, this thing definitely is a collector must-have for an event that never happened. And also kind of unique. I don't know if this will be a variant, and I don't know if they will fix this on later produced ones maybe, or later ones out of the 5000. Maybe they will have headlights, maybe, but I think it's kind of cool that the truck does not have headlights. That's just my opinion. I think it's pretty cool looking. It's a pretty sweet looking truck, and yeah, I'm very happy that Spin Master made it and we actually have it. Now, I believe besides the team captain's trucks for Fire and Ice, this is the first exclusive truck of this year from the MonsterJamSuperStore. I'm gonna think, and I'm gonna guess, that we're gonna have a Halloween exclusive truck. I'm going to guess we might have another exclusive truck, another random one, or a Christmas one. I definitely feel like there's gonna be a Halloween one. I definitely feel like there's gonna be, I'm gonna say it now, I really hope if the All-Star event does go through, kind of like what they do at World Finals, if they make an All-Star event diecast or exclusive, that would be very awesome. But I'm just gonna say now, as of May 23rd, I think we're gonna have a Halloween exclusive truck, a All-Star exclusive truck, and maybe a Christmas exclusive truck. Maybe. I hope for those three, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, with that being said, let me know in the comments if you guys end up getting this truck. I know it's really cool, really kind of easier to get this year, as I got mine 5 days later, so it really wasn't that much of a wait. And also the packaging came very, very, very good. That was the #1 thing I was scared of, because I did order 4 of these trucks, so I kind of thought, oh wow, these things are gonna come all like bent and out of shape or whatever. But they came very well packaged, and yeah, A+ on that. So with that being said, guys, that's gonna wrap up my review for the World Finals 21 truck, Monster Jam exclusive, or Monster Jam Superstore exclusive truck, and definitely the first one this year besides the Fire and Ice. But yeah, with that being said, like, subscribe. I will see you guys in another video very shortly, and yeah, let me know if you guys got this truck or if it's on the way. So yeah, peace out.